Or what?
Or, well, just give it back.
Are you threatening me, Metal Mouth?
No, just give it back. You can't just steal things from me.
Unfortunately for you, my pig ugly friend, that is exactly what I can do. In fact, I can do anything I like in this place. Anything at all. Ciao, Spotty.
Give it back.
And you should stay out of the girls' dorm, you little perv. Ugh, I see you undressing me with your eyes, sicko.
You wish.
Please, will you help me?
Do I have to?
Yes, it's vital. She's stolen my lab notes. Without them, I'm gonna fail chemistry and I'll never get into med school. Now I won't find the cure for cancer. Basically, the future of the whole world rests on those notes.
What's in it for me?
Well, if you get them back, I'll kiss you.
Ugh. That's okay.
Oh, okay, but if you don't, I'll tell the whole school you're some kind of sad sicko who spies on girls getting changed in their dorm.
Relax. One set of lab notes coming up. Hey, Gary. I need to get something from Mandy's locker.
I'm not surprised. You know, you should put a stink bomb in there. It'd be funny. Get one from Fatty. He knows everything about stinking. I despise weak people.
Look who it is, my man.
I wish we were gonna field hockey.
See you later, homies. All right, tonight is that night. Hey, what's new? I will serve in return for a suitable. Got this for you. Come on, take it. Oh, we'll be best friends forever. Why more people and thus our transaction concludes.
Hi! You can't do anything right. Just look down. Why do I get so nervous around boys?
Man, no, I can't believe they're gonna grade me.
I don't have time.
I have to train hard. I can pay ya.
Maybe if I concentrate real hard. You ever try out the big swing? Man, I wish my ears would. This school really sucks.
Life is so boring.
Good, my man.
I really love bunnies. They're so nice.
Have a look at this. No, I'll be.
Save it for someone who cares.
Gotta get new sheets again. You're not allowed to do that.
I'll teach you what it is. Let a real man show you the ropes.
This whole school is rotten. Here you go.
Oh, Jimmy, thank you. You're wonderful.
Look in my eyes for a sec.
That was exactly as I'd expected.
I said I'd do it.
Cut sleep to 4.5 hours a night, increase study time to 35 hours per week, eat lunch while